Welcome travelers, to our exclusive guide on the top luxury summer destinations in Europe for 2023. As the heat rises, let's explore the creme de la creme of European escapes, where opulence meets natural beauty. Join us as we embark on a journey through the most enchanting summer getaways this year. Here are Anribo's top picks. Number 1, Côte d'Azur, France. Our first stop is the glamorous Côte d'Azur, nestled along the French Riviera. Known for its sparkling azure waters and exquisite beaches, this destination offers a perfect blend of indulgence and relaxation. The iconic cities of Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez boast luxurious resorts, Michelin-starred restaurants, and upscale shopping. Don't forget to explore the hidden gems like the medieval village of Ise or take a yacht excursion to the charming island of Porquerolles. Here are 3 luxury resorts on the Côte d'Azur that will give travelers the unforgettable experience of luxury. Hôtel du Cap Eden Rock, Cap d'Antibes. Located in a stunning setting on the Cap d'Antibes Peninsula, Hôtel du Cap Eden Rock is a legendary luxury resort. With its elegant rooms and suites, private villas, Michelin-starred restaurants, and a beautiful infinity pool overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, this resort offers an unparalleled experience of luxury and glamour. Grand Hôtel du Cap Ferret, Saint-Jean Cap Ferret. Nestled on the exclusive Saint-Jean Cap Ferret Peninsula, the Grand Hôtel du Cap Ferret is a renowned luxury resort. Surrounded by lush gardens and offering panoramic views of the Mediterranean, the hotel features opulent rooms and suites, a world-class spa, Michelin-starred dining, and a private beach club. Its timeless elegance and impeccable service make it a favorite among discerning travelers. Hôtel Negresco, Nice, situated along the Promenade des Anglais in Nice. Hôtel Negresco is a historic landmark and a symbol of luxury on the Côte d'Azur. This Belle Époque-style hotel boasts beautifully decorated rooms and suites, each with its unique theme and character. Guests can indulge in gourmet dining at its Michelin-starred restaurant, relax at the rooftop terrace, or admire the impressive art collection displayed throughout the hotel. Number 2, Amalfi Coast, Italy. Prepare to be mesmerized by the breathtaking Amalfi Coast in Italy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site enchants visitors with its colorful cliffside villages, cascading vineyards, and lemon groves. Exclusive hotels like La Sirenuse in Positano or Villa Simbrone in Ravello offer unparalleled luxury. Take a private boat tour to the glamorous island of Capri or savor authentic Italian cuisine while overlooking the azure Mediterranean Sea. La Sirenuse in Positano is a luxurious cliffside hotel on the Amalfi Coast. With breathtaking views, elegant rooms, and a Michelin-starred restaurant, it offers an unforgettable experience. Guests can relax by the infinity pool, indulge in spa treatments, and explore the charming town of Positano. This iconic hotel embodies Italian luxury and coastal beauty, making it a favorite among discerning travelers. Villa Simbrone in Ravello is a stunning luxury retreat perched high above the Amalfi Coast. This historic villa boasts magnificent gardens, breathtaking views, and an aura of timeless beauty. The elegantly appointed rooms and suites offer a blend of classic charm and modern comfort. Guests can wander through the enchanting gardens, relax by the infinity pool, and savor gourmet cuisine at the on-site restaurant. Villa Simbrone is a true sanctuary of tranquility and sophistication, providing an unforgettable experience on the Amalfi Coast. Number 3, Santorini, Greece. Let's set sail to the Greek island of Santorini, renowned for its stunning sunsets and unique architecture. Immerse yourself in the luxurious ambiance of boutique cave hotels overlooking the Aegean Sea. Stroll through the charming streets of Oia and Fira, indulge in world-class wineries, and rejuvenate your senses with therapeutic volcanic hot springs. Santorini offers an idyllic blend of opulence, tranquility, and ancient charm. Here are 3 luxury resorts in Santorini, Greece. Canaves Oia Suites, Oia. Perched on the picturesque cliffs of Oia, Canaves Oia Suites offers an extraordinary luxury experience. Its beautifully designed suites and villas feature private plunge pools or hot tubs, stunning sea views, and elegant furnishings. The resort provides impeccable service, a gourmet restaurant, and a serene spa, ensuring a truly indulgent stay in the heart of Santorini's most iconic village. Grace Hotel Santorini, Imeravili. Grace Hotel Santorini is a luxurious boutique hotel located in the enchanting village of Imeravili. With its minimalist Cycladic design, the hotel exudes a sense of tranquility and sophistication. Guests can enjoy stylishly appointed rooms and suites, an infinity pool with panoramic views, a fine dining restaurant, and a spa offering rejuvenating treatments. Grace Hotel Santorini promises an elevated and serene retreat. Mystique Santorini, Oia. Nestled on the cliffs overlooking the caldera, Mystique Santorini offers an intimate and luxurious escape. Its suites and villas are characterized by elegant design, private terraces, and breathtaking sea views. The resort boasts a cliffside infinity pool, a world-class restaurant serving Mediterranean cuisine, and a rejuvenating spa. Mystique Santorini invites guests to unwind, soak up the mesmerizing vistas, and immerse themselves in the essence of Santorini's beauty. Number 4. Ibiza, Spain. Are you ready for a Mediterranean playground like no other? Welcome to Ibiza, the party capital of Europe. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife and world-famous beach clubs, this Spanish island offers a thrilling summer experience. Indulge in luxury villas, relax on pristine beaches, and dance to the beats of international DJs. Ibiza also provides a serene side with secluded coves and stunning sunsets in the west. It's the perfect destination for those seeking both excitement and tranquility. Here are 3 luxury resorts in Ibiza, Spain. Nobu Hotel Ibiza Bay, Talamanca. Located in the upscale Talamanca Bay, Nobu Hotel Ibiza Bay offers a luxurious beachfront experience. The resort features stylish rooms and suites with contemporary design, private terraces, and stunning views of the Mediterranean. Guests can enjoy direct beach access, multiple swimming pools, a spa, and a range of dining options, including the renowned Nobu restaurant. With its chic ambiance and impeccable service, Nobu Hotel Ibiza Bay provides a haven of relaxation and sophistication. Ushuaia Ibiza Beach Hotel, Playa Don Bassa. Ushuaia Ibiza Beach Hotel is synonymous with luxury and vibrant entertainment. Situated in the lively Playa Don Bassa area, the resort boasts modern rooms and suites with sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and private balconies. It is renowned for its world-class pool parties and performances by internationally acclaimed DJs. Guests can also enjoy multiple bars, restaurants, and a rooftop terrace with panoramic views, creating an unforgettable Ibiza experience that seamlessly blends luxury and excitement. Azzaro Ibiza, San Joan de Labrija. Nestled in the peaceful countryside of San Joan de Labrija, Azzaro Ibiza is a serene luxury retreat. This lavish resort offers elegant rooms, suites, and private villas surrounded by lush gardens and tranquil landscapes. Guests can indulge in holistic spa treatments, relax by the pool, and savor exquisite cuisine at the farm-to-table restaurant. Azzaro Ibiza provides a serene oasis away from the bustling Ibiza scene, allowing guests to rejuvenate their senses and experience true island luxury. Number 5. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Our next destination takes us to the stunning city of Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, this UNESCO World Heritage Site captivates with its medieval charm and captivating landscapes. Stay in a luxurious seaside resort, explore the ancient city walls, and embark on a yacht tour to the nearby Elefiti Islands. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking vistas, Dubrovnik offers a unique and opulent summer getaway. Here are 3 luxury resorts in Dubrovnik, Croatia. Hotel Excelsior Dubrovnik. Situated just outside the historic Old Town, Hotel Excelsior Dubrovnik is a luxurious waterfront retreat. This iconic resort offers elegantly appointed rooms and suites with breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. Guests can indulge in the outdoor swimming pool, private beach area, and a spa offering rejuvenating treatments. With its proximity to the city's attractions and impeccable service, Hotel Excelsior Dubrovnik provides a perfect blend of elegance and convenience. Villa Dubrovnik. Perched on a cliffside overlooking the azure Adriatic, Villa Dubrovnik offers a secluded and luxurious escape. The resort features modern and stylish rooms, each with a private terrace or balcony showcasing panoramic sea views. Guests can unwind at the infinity pool, access the private beach, and enjoy fine dining at the rooftop restaurant. Villa Dubrovnik provides a serene oasis with impeccable service, ensuring a truly indulgent experience. Sun Gardens Dubrovnik. Located in the picturesque area of Orishak, Sun Gardens Dubrovnik is a sprawling luxury resort that caters to all types of travelers. The resort offers spacious rooms, suites, and apartments with modern amenities and balconies or terraces overlooking the sea or gardens. Guests can enjoy numerous swimming pools, private beaches, sports facilities, a spa, and a variety of dining options. Sun Gardens Dubrovnik provides a complete resort experience, combining luxury, comfort, and an array of activities. Number 6. Mykonos, Greece. The vibrant island of Mykonos in Greece, known for its cosmopolitan atmosphere and dazzling beaches, is a playground for the rich and famous. Stay in opulent beachfront villas, immerse yourself in the exclusive beach clubs like Namos or Scorpios, and experience the island's electrifying nightlife. Indulge in gourmet dining and shop in high-end boutiques while basking in the Mediterranean sunshine. Mykonos truly embodies luxury and extravagance. Here are 3 luxury resorts in Mykonos, Greece. Belvedere Hotel Mykonos. Located in the heart of Mykonos town, Belvedere Hotel is a luxury boutique hotel known for its stylish design and exceptional service. The resort offers chic rooms, suites, and villas with Cycladic-inspired decor and modern amenities. Guests can relax by the pool, enjoy gourmet dining at the on-site restaurants, and indulge in spa treatments. Belvedere Hotel is a haven of sophistication and tranquility, just steps away from the vibrant energy of Mykonos town. Mykonos Blue Grecotel Exclusive Resort. Situated on the beachfront of Saro Bay, Mykonos Blue is a 5-star resort that epitomizes luxury. The resort features elegantly appointed rooms, suites, and villas with private pools or outdoor jacuzzis. Guests can unwind by the infinity pool, indulge in gourmet dining, and enjoy personalized service. Mykonos Blue offers a serene and exclusive retreat, complemented by stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Santa Marina, a luxury collection resort. Nestled on a private peninsula overlooking Ornos Bay, Santa Marina is a prestigious resort that offers an exquisite blend of elegance and natural beauty. The resort boasts luxurious rooms, suites, and villas, many with private pools or direct beach access. Guests can rejuvenate at the spa, lounge by the infinity pool, and savor Mediterranean cuisine at the beachfront restaurants. Santa Marina offers a secluded and opulent escape in a captivating Mykonos setting. Number 7. St. Moritz, Switzerland. Our journey now takes us to the alpine wonderland of St. Moritz in Switzerland. While known for its winter charm, St. Moritz also offers a luxurious summer escape. Surrounded by majestic snow-capped mountains and pristine lakes, this destination provides a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and relaxation seekers alike. Stay in elegant ski resorts turned summer retreats, indulge in spa treatments, and engage in thrilling activities like hiking, mountain biking, or sailing on Lake St. Moritz. Enjoy the beauty of nature while reveling in the world-class hospitality that St. Moritz has to offer. Here are 3 luxury resorts in St. Moritz, Switzerland. Budrutz Palace Hotel. Overlooking Lake St. Moritz, Budrutz Palace Hotel is an iconic luxury resort that has been welcoming guests since 1896. The resort offers elegantly furnished rooms and suites, impeccable service, and breathtaking views of the Engadin Valley. Guests can indulge in world-class dining, relax at the spa and wellness center, and enjoy a range of outdoor activities in the surrounding alpine beauty. Budrutz Palace Hotel is a timeless symbol of elegance and luxury in St. Moritz. Kulm Hotel. Situated in the heart of St. Moritz, the historic Kulm Hotel is a grand 5-star resort with a rich heritage. The hotel showcases luxurious rooms and suites that combine classic elegance with modern comforts. Guests can take advantage of the extensive wellness facilities, including multiple pools, saunas, and a spa. Kulm Hotel also offers exquisite dining options and a variety of outdoor activities, such as skiing, golfing, and hiking, allowing guests to fully immerse themselves in the beauty of St. Moritz. Carlton Hotel St. Moritz. Located in the exclusive neighborhood of St. Moritz Dorf, the Carlton Hotel is a prestigious retreat that exudes sophistication. The resort features luxurious rooms and suites with contemporary alpine design and stunning mountain or lake views. Guests can unwind at the spa, savor gourmet cuisine at the Michelin-starred restaurant, and enjoy direct access to the ski slopes during winter. Carlton Hotel offers an elevated experience of refinement and relaxation in St. Moritz. And there you have it, our exquisite selection of the top luxury summer destinations in Europe for 2023. From the glitz and glamour of the French Riviera to the enchanting shores of the Adriatic. Embrace the opulence, immerse yourself in the beauty, and create unforgettable memories in these idyllic summer getaways. If you like our content, please hit that subscribe button, share, and let us know which one of the destinations is your favorite in the comment section. Bon voyage!